I thought I'd take it out of the kitchen and do one of my favorite recipes, which is smashed burgers on my grill using a cast iron plancha, and they'll get a great crispy crust to them. I'm doing them kind of Oklahoma style with some fried onions. So with this recipe, there's a few tools you need, nothing crazy. Here I've got a regular spatula that I wrapped in aluminum foil. The nice thing about that is it helps it stop the burger from sticking when you're smashing. Plus my spatula has a couple small holes here, and that would mean that the meat would kind of push up through and get stuck, so I don't want that to happen. So I use this foil just to smash and then I take it off. I got tongs to keep my hands clean, and then I've got a meat mallet, which you could use anything, a potato masher or even another spatula, but I'm gonna use that to help push down on this spatula when I go to smash the burgers. I've also preheated my grill hot. Like it's up to 600 degrees right now, and that's what you want. So here I got my cast iron good and hot, and I'm gonna go on with the patties. All right, first thing I'll do is give it a light smash because I want a little surface area for seasoning. So Aiden, if you could hand me some salt and pepper. Thank you. So I'll go on fairly heavy with salt. Okay, with pepper. And now, what makes it the fried onion burger is I'll put some really thinly shredded onion right on top of the patty before I smash it. Now, Aiden, being the burger purist he is, likes his without onion. And now is time to smash. So again, patty. Now I also like to push out a little bit because that helps to keep the spatula from sticking as well. And spread it out. So if you're having trouble with your smash technique, pushing it kind of out, like away from you or pulling towards you, helps to really get that, keep from sticking, get you a nice even thickness. And then get those onions off. Okay, and then Aiden. So this is just your traditional smash burger right here, which is what we love around this house. So now that I've got them smashed, I'll take the foil off. And we'll let these cook for a few minutes. I'm not doing them super thin. A lot of times I'll do a double patty with super thin ones. These are a little thicker, so we'll let them cook for just a few minutes before we flip. So now that these cooked most of the way through, you can see that this guy's already done. I'm gonna flip him first. He's also the thinnest. Now you gotta really scrape underneath because you want all that good crust on your burger. And it sticks to the pan a little bit, and that's okay because that's where you get that beautiful crust from. So this is where you gotta move kind of fast, right? Get your burgers crusty, flip. And since these are a little thicker, sometimes I only season one side. These are a little thicker, so I'll give them another quick, the wind's blowing, my salt's everywhere. All right, another quick hit of salt. Hit of pepper. And now the cheese. So this is important too. Have everything ready to rock, okay? Your cheese already, like I'm using American cheese because I like it gooey. So I have my cheese already like out of the packaging, out of the plastic because I want it to be ready to rock. I've got my buns. I toasted those while I was heating up the grill. I don't want to toast them at 600 degrees. So when it hit about 350, I buttered them, toasted them, have those ready to go. I made my special sauce. And put that on the bun already. And I put a little ketchup and mustard. We've got those burgers ready to go. These guys are almost done cooking. The onions are frying in all of that beef fat. So I've used an 80-20 blend, 80-20 lean, right? So it's 80% lean, 20% fat. That fat's perfect for burgers, and I want to use that fat to help those onions cook right at this point. All right, so now that these are all cooked, let the cheese melt a little bit and get them off. So this is Aiden's plain patty here. And then our crispy onion smash burger. This is one of my favorite things to make. The onions cooking in that beef fat just gets so good. They're so quick, and I love caramelized onions and stuff like that. But by doing them right into the patty, they get just a great char. They get cooked in the beef fat, and they're really delicious. All right, there it is. The smash burger with some crispy grilled onions in there. One of my favorites. Come back next time and we'll have another recipe out of my house to cook for you and your family.